Hello everyone. This video we are going to look about the basic information about stock as well as for the bond. Okay, this will be helpful for the beginners. So let's see. What is stock? A stock is a small unit of capital or small portion of the company. Okay, so suppose if you're buying for a stock in a sense, you should be a shareholder or owner of a respective company. The share price goes up. Okay, if the company perform well, automatically share price goes up. Okay, suppose the company is struggling some issues, so what will happen in the stock market? The company respective share price will falls down. Say for example, if you're taking for a pizza, okay, if you're taking more pizza, in a sense it is so delicious as well as tasty, then you will eat more. As the same way, if you're investing more in stock, in a sense the company performing good. Okay, so right now, what is bond? Bond, in a sense, lending your money to government or private entities. You are telling them you can use my money for a couple of period. For that, you can return back for the interest. So you will return back as your whole money after the maturity period also. So within that maturity period, based on the agreement, you will get the return. That return only we call it as interest. Okay, as your say it's same like fixed deposit. Okay, and people will ask why people are investing more in stock rather than bond. In a sense, from the stock you will get it for more return, for the bond you will get it for less return. As the same way, risk is also higher in stock while compared with bond. Now you have to take a wise decision for your investment. You can balance your risk as well as for reward for both bond as well as for the share also. So this is a investment will be a starting journey. So you can start with a small amount and do your own research. With the help of patience, you will gain for the profit in both share as well as for the bond also. Suppose this insightful video will be helpful to you, you can give a thumbs up, as well as you can comment below if there is any query is available. You can share to your friends also for getting all financial tips. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this.